Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt and Ollie is out there running around. Yeah, so we run into a little bit of an issue here working on the old herders. It appears we may have just a bad boat. So I've been putting down some glass on the inside, and the boat's going on 70 years. It's never been finished, never been painted, never been gel coated. And I'm wondering if the UV just hasn't gotten to it. I've prepped the surface, I've ground it down, finished it off with a 36 grit disc. All the glass, it appears there's a resin core, and then there's just like that burlap looking fiberglass on the top and bottom. Doesn't seem to be any CSM in between or anything. You're just grinding through a core of resin, it looks like. So anyhow, yeah, you get it all cleaned up, wet it out good, put the glass down, wet the glass out good. After about 2 days, it seems to start delaminating, and you got a lot of white spots between. And I'm wondering if the old resin is just so shot that you get the initial bond, and then as the I guess polyester shrinks, maybe it's lifting up, maybe it's separating. Maybe the integrity of the old resin is just so bad it comes apart. I don't know, but it doesn't look like it's going to work. So I set it aside. We're going to give it a little bit of time here. I'm going to keep thinking, keep doing some research online, see what else I can do, if there's anything. But in the meantime, we're going to we got no shortage of projects around here, so we're going to start off, move over to the next project, and see if we can make some way. So if you've watched this far on the herders, please go ahead, watch the next round of videos. We will be doing a 1979 Taylor jet boat. It's a day cruiser model. It's a pretty cool boat. That's usually my problem here. It seems I can find things that need lots of work. So it's got some fiberglass issues in the hull. We're going to be addressing those first, and then touch up some gel coat issues, put some new stringers in, new floor. We've got all the interior for it still, and then we're going to go from there. So just want to let you know how minor setback on the herders. We're going to keep researching, do what we can to figure if there's a way to fix that. If anybody has any ideas, please go ahead and put them in the comments. Until I figure something out there, we're going to switch gears and keep making some progress on many of the projects we got sitting around here. So, hey, thanks a lot. Again, please subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.